Just coming from the entrance over there. I am walking towards some kind of water feature. It's quite a nice setting here. It's not too busy today. This water feature, it's like a little fountain. So you can see, usually it's spraying water all over the place. I don't want to say yeah, it's spraying water all over the place. And if I walk just to the left of it, up some stairs, we're gonna see what looks like a massive Korean bell. Let's go take a look. This is the first time I've been here, so if my videos are a bit too long, please forgive me. I think this is so fucking beautiful. I have no idea what that says. Looks like hieroglyphics. I could be mistaken. Who would dare me to ring this bell with this massive lug? None of you? You guys are so boring. This is epic. So yeah, I'll take a few videos as I walk around.